Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please like and subscribe as I'm updating content daily, and you never know what you might hear or find, something that might help improve your life or might help you attract better things into your life. So today I want to talk about the magic of Rhonda Byrnes, and today's day 6, and shooting this video at work because it has to do, is related with work. And I'll walk you guys through what Rhonda Byrnes recommend that we do in her book. So I'm not affiliated in any way with the book. I'm just putting her principles into action, and just want to see my own experiences, what comes out of it. So the day 6 works like magic. If you can take any activity, any skill, and push it as far as it goes, push it beyond where it has never been, and push it beyond the edges of edges, then you force it into the realm of magic. This is a quote from the book, and it's a Tom Robbins quote. So what Rhonda is trying to express in her book and via this quote, if you want to attract the dream job that you want for yourself, you want to definitely appreciate what you have right now. Because let's say if you're looking for a better position, better job, or start a business, it's pretty much going to continue off where you left it, meaning in the current state. So if you're not appreciative of what you have, you're not going to appreciate the new job that you have. You're going to keep complaining. However, if you can appreciate and do your best where you're at now, you will continue that into your business, or you'll continue it into new position that you're going to attract. So the activity that Rhonda gives us is, you want to pretend there's an imaginary manager following you, and who takes a note of anything that you appreciate, any good thing that your current work has. So if there's a million bad things about your current job, current position, you definitely want to look at the positive aspect of what's going on and take a note of it. Be grateful for it, be appreciative of it, so that way your situation should improve, and there should be less conflicts, and there should be better outcomes. So you don't want to look for a reward at the end of the day from other people. You don't want to look for being recommended by somebody just for doing good things. You're doing it truly out of your heart, and you're doing it for yourself, for nobody else. That way, whatever you choose to go into later in life should be better, should attract better situation, better things. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you find this helpful, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So please like and subscribe as I update the content daily. Thank you guys for watching.